Hello students, here it is being said in this paragraph, para third. This para third depicts the feeling of helplessness of Mahatma Hansraj when he could not help Lala Sundar Das, the headmaster of Sain Das Anglo Sanskrit High School, which was located in Jalandhar. What was the reason for that? Because he couldn't have money to spare the fare of Jalandhar. See. So, look what is the scene. Although Mahatma Hansraj was indifferent, he was indifferent towards worldly riches. Means he didn't care about the worldly riches and money. But there were occasions when he felt the pinch of poverty. But students, there were so many occasions when he felt the pinch of poverty. Pinch of poverty means what? He just felt the pain of poverty. Look what happened. One such occasion was when Lala Sundar Das, who was Lala Sundar Das? The headmaster of Sain Das Anglo Sanskrit High School, Jalandhar. Okay, this Sain Das Anglo Sanskrit High School was situated in Jalandhar, and he was the headmaster of this school. It happened that he wrote to Mahatma Hansraj. Okay, who wrote? Lala Sundar Das. What for? Asking him to come over to help him in a grave crisis. What did he want from Mahatma Hansraj? Lala Sundar Das want Mahatma Hansraj to go to him and help him. Grave crisis means serious crisis. Mahatma Hansraj had to regretfully inform him. Regretfully means sorrowfully, with great sadness. Inform him that much as he would have liked to visit him to help him, he just wrote him that although he wanted to help him, but he could not do so because he could not spare the railway fare. Okay, he just wrote that he could not do with this and he could not go and help Lala Sundar Das. And what was the reason? The reason was that he could not spare the fare to Jalandhar and back. He didn't have that much money. Okay, next. On another occasion, there is one more occasion. So many occasions were there, but some important has been mentioned here. When a case of distress came to his personal notice from a very respectable family at Lahore. Case of distress came to his personal notice. What was about what the case was? See, he gave whatever help he could from his slender resources. Slender means when you have money or something else, but that is very less. Okay, but we find him sorrowfully recording in his diary, I wish I had more money so that it might have been possible for me to help to a larger extent. See, here it is being said that he just helped as much as he could do. But later on, a diary was found, and in that diary, Mahatma Hansraj had written or mentioned that he wished to do more than he did. Okay, but he could not do. And what was the reason? Same reason was there, because he didn't have that much resources. Sometimes Mahatma Hansraj would offer help when it was not even asked for. Student, here it is being said that he had such types of personality that sometimes it happened that he would offer help when it was not even asked for. Means there is example where he was not asked to help the person, but he did without asking for. One evening he met an old student of his who was serving in a post office. Once it happened that he met one of his students who was working in post office. What happened to him? The young man was visibly distressed. Visibly distressed means when you just come to know that the person is in problem by looking at him only. So visibly means it was clear that he was in distress. On being asked the reason, when Mahatma Hansraj asked him the reason for his distress, he told his pathetic tale. Pathetic tale means students, pathetic is the word that is used when any scene or any event or any story just bring the feeling of pity inside me, then that is called pathetic. Tale means story without expecting any monetary help. And he just narrated. When Mahatma Hansraj asked him the reason of his distress, he just told him his story, but he was not expecting any help, okay, any monetary help from Mahatma Hansraj. On closing the account, what happened to him? See, what was the case? Why he was in distress? On closing the account for the day, it was discovered. All of us know that there is calculation is being made in post office or bank, okay. So same he was doing, and he just discovered to his horror that he was short of cash. He was short of cash means the money was not as at it must be there, okay, the cash that came to the post office and deposited, so there was some shortage of cash. He had tallied the account many a time, but in vain. In vain means useless. He just tried to find out discrepancy, means he wanted to know that where the money where the cash was, and how he just thought that might be possible that he was making some mistakes, so he calculated again and again, he tallied again and again. He knew for sure that the discrepancy would be detected the next day, and that student of Mahatma Hansraj was sure that this discrepancy would be found next day. He also admitted that he would be lucky if he escaped merely with dismissal from service, and he told Mahatma Hansraj that he would just consider himself lucky if he would only be dismissed from service. Why did he say like that? Because it might be possible that with this, along with dismissal, he could be imprisonment for dereliction of duty. Mahatma Hansraj heard him patiently and took him home. Mahatma Hansraj just listened to whatever he said. He handed him the accounts book of his wife and told him to take out as much as needed to meet the cash shortage. And do you know, students, what did he do? He just took that student to his home and handed him the accounts book of his wife and told him that he could use or withdraw the money to meet the cash shortage. The young man was tongue-tied. Tongue-tied means unable to speak anything because of gratitude, but extremely glad to be able to retain his job. But he was very much happy. He was elated that he would retain his job. Not only retain his job, but he would be able to avoid the imprisonment. Thanks, student.